Hi, you guys. I know that a lot of you have been excited to see the things that we got on our travels last week or 2 weeks ago now. And I know I posted a lot of things on Instagram that we didn't buy, but and people have been like, "Oh, when are you gonna do your haul video and what you did get?" And the truth is, like, a lot of these things I really want to take the time to look at, figure out, get cleaned, see what they are. Because when you're buying stuff at an antique store or wherever, you just kind of buy on instinct, and then you have to dig in a little bit. And sometimes you need to recover a footstool that had terrible fabric on it, but a wonderful 200-year-old base or whatever. But one of these is, I just thought I'd show you kind of the process that I go through with, getting an original watercolor and then trying to figure out what it is. This is, it's been, even like I couldn't read the signature. It said, I didn't know if it said Elena or E. Pena or E. Peng, or then there's a little period. Is it for penguin? Who knows? Who knows? So I thought maybe, and forgive me, I've already taken it apart, so it's a little gentle here, but I like to go underneath and see if there's anything like on the mat or any notes. This was held in with these little nails like that, and I just kind of pulled them out gently with these spring-loaded needle nose pliers, which are very handy. Just gently, because it is wood, and this is a nice frame. You see it's got like the gilding that's come over the edge. I don't think that I'm going to redo the, I have the last half of them anyway already. They're going to end up in the vacuum cleaner. But so anyway, so just to take this piece of cardboard out. And then this was here. You can see it's kind of dirty. There was, I already took the tape off. There's tape here, which is kind of a no-no, because you can see it leaves sticky stuff behind that looks like food. And that's kind of the difficult thing with works on paper. You can't really clean them the way you can a canvas. I already went after this a little bit. There's a little food here, and maybe, maybe that's why they did this oval mat. But, one of the things you can do, you can try a magic eraser. Magic eraser is great for stuff like this, but I did go after this a little bit, and it started pilling the paper, so we're not going to do that anymore. All things being equal, I prefer doing works on paper floated, like on, especially if they have that nice decal edge. Which means on top of the mat behind the glass, so that you can see the edges of the paper. And I really like the part that they left out. So it's a little bit of a shame, but I don't know what I'm going to do, partly because it's got this pencil line now around the whole thing. And so I thought I might, I've got my trusty old white eraser. I thought I might try a little bit of pencil eraser on that and see if we can undo some of it, but I don't want to undo the paint. And it's just sort of one of those things where you just have to go carefully and just decide how important it is to you to see those tree roots versus putting it back in the oval mat. But so that's the kind of thing that I do. I mean, when we're kind of looking at these things and thinking about how we're going to reframe them, if we're going to reframe them, who this person is, what's their story, all of that kind of stuff, because I like to know. But if you never find out, that's okay too. So let me know what you think I should do in the comments if you have an opinion. It was great talking to you guys, and I'll be online with some more things. It's just everything's a bit of a jumble right now.